Raptor day in the shop. Today we have a 2013 Ford Raptor. We're about to do a 4-inch BDS suspension lift on. I'm really excited because we haven't done a whole lot of Raptors lately. This one is still the 6.2 liter. I don't know how y'all Raptor fans feel about the different Raptors, but this one is not the 3.5 EcoBoost, which is still a pretty dang good motor. But man, I'll tell you, I'm a sucker for a V8, and this one is dope. So we're just pulling the wheels off now, getting ready to move forward with the lift. So maybe we'll stop and see how that comes out. Alrighty, we got the rear blocks in. The BDS suspension lift doesn't come with new shocks because obviously the Raptor has its own Fox reservoir shocks on it that are pretty badass to begin with, so there's no need to replace them. And of course in the front, it's got super beef up control arms already with it, so we don't have to replace those. We do have new spindles and new cross members and that sort of thing. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward and it's going to be looking really good. We've got the front completely torn down. We're getting ready to put it back together, and then we'll get it on the alignment rack. We also got wheels and tires going on this guy, and that'll be coming up soon as well. Alright, just finished up the Raptor, and it came out just like everything you would want and more. 4-inch BDS suspension lift, fuel wheels 20 inches. Customer was going to go with 22, so I think the 20-inch wheels ended up being a little bit better. I believe those are the Fuel Renegades. I can't remember off the top of my head. Remind me if I'm wrong. Toyo Open Country RT 3712.5 20s. Very good looking stuff. Very good looking stuff. Thanks for watching the video. This Raptor. If you've got a Raptor or any other truck and want to get it lifted, give me a shout, 469-424-0028. Just ask for Trent. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram. Click that like button. Let YouTube know that you like this video, and stay tuned for more. Thanks so much. Bye.